Hi everyone. We are here today at the Northern Nature Trading Centre at the Canadian Bushplane Heritage Centre, the Bushplane Museum. Here at the Northern Nature Trading, we are all about exploring the world around us, learning new things about nature, and sharing our collections by trading with you. How does this work? Well, you bring items you find from nature, tell us about them, and trade them in for points you could use right away or save up to take home items from our collection. There are lots of different items you could trade with us. We have fossils and shells and plenty of cool rocks. Have you ever found a snowflake stone? Or amethyst? How about a fluorescent mineral? Do you like to take pictures? There are plenty of things to take pictures of in the area, including lots of wildlife. You could even make a project with your photos and share it for points. Although our center cannot be open for trading just yet, this is a great time of year to be out exploring the area. We have great beaches and rocky shorelines to explore and find interesting things. You could even explore the local forest. Let's go for a short walk and see what we can find. Just remember, it is important for us to be responsible collectors so that we keep nature healthy. This includes leaving birds' nests, dead animals, and living plants and animals where you find them. We should also only take one or two of each thing and never take items that are rare, endangered, or protected by law. Alright traders, I think you're ready to set out on a collecting adventure now. We can't wait to see what you've collected once we reopen. In the meantime, share your adventures with us using #NatureTraders.